Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear children, this is the continuity of unit number 15. We have completed up to page number 14. It is now going to continue from page number 15. The heading it is, what are the problems that can be created when artificial food additives. Natural food additives will not create these problems. Now, Ajinomoto, like several chemicals, if you add it to the food in order to improve, say, taste or smell or anything, these problems can come. So, wheezing, kidney disorders, diabetes, cardiac diseases, cancers, allergies, okay, nutritional problems can come, overnutrition can come, then the weight will increase, undernutrition can come, then there will be less weight than what it is needed by a person, okay. Nervous system disorders can come. Hyperactivity. Hyperactivity means the children will not sit in one place, or they can't concentrate in a work. That kind of hyperactivities can be created. Mental disorders can be created. Now, for example, now digestive tract problems can be created. Now, if we take digestive tract problem, okay, after having a kottu roti, we can hear people complaining, stomach paining, bloating, okay. So, why this? Because food additives are chemicals, okay. When we are eating fast food, we always have to think of these kinds of problems can occur in a person. Thereafter, we come to the heading cleaning agents. In the cleaning agents, normally soap, shampoo, washing powder, but we used to remove dirts. Okay. Among these, the mostly used one, it is soap. Okay, nowadays shampoo, washing powder are also used. Mostly used one is soap. Actually, soap is a salt. Soap is a salt. Okay, we are making a boiling plant oil or a boiling animal oil to react with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. It is a salt created between fatty acid and sodium or fatty acid and potassium. Thing it is, normal soap, now Lux, Lifebuoy, like normal soap we are using are sodium salts. But if you go for baby soaps, there will be a smoothness there, there will be a mildness there, and those mildness, those softness are created by potassium salts, right? Hope you are clear with it, right? Now, when we wash clothes, when we use these detergents, so commonly soap, shampoo, washing powder are commonly called by the name detergents. Detergent powder. Washing powder has another name called detergent powder. Okay, right. So the things you are washing, you just add it to the drainage. It is draining through the drains and finally reaching the rivers. In the rivers, okay, there are aquatic organisms living. When these materials are added to the aquatic environment, the organisms are damaged, killed. Okay. Finally, this soap detergent mixed river water will reach the sea. In the sea, there are coral reefs. So they are destroyed. Okay. They are getting destroyed. In the aquatic environment, lots of organisms are dying, we say aquatic biodiversity is decreased. And finally, it is producing detergent swans on the water surface. Detergent swans, what is it? Is it a swan? Not swan. Okay. It is the foam material. The foam material that floats on the water like a white color layer. Okay. Like a white color layer, it will float on the water. Okay. And those white color layers that floats on the water are called detergent swans. I will share a photograph to you to show you the detergent swans. Okay, here, if you search for detergent swans, okay, you can see the surface of the water in a river is turning to a white color content. Okay, and that is how detergent swans are created. Very less number of photographs we can collect from internet regarding detergent swans. Okay, right. And thereafter, one of the domestic chemical. So we spoke about food additives, the domestic chemicals. Then we spoke about soap, the domestic chemical. Then we come to the medicines. Medicines. Okay, some medicines are there. Okay, one of the medicine is antacids. Antacids are medicines. Antacids are given against gastritis. Okay, gastritis. Okay, when people have stomach burning, okay, like so many issues, people go and buy to Digene and bite and eat it and drink water. Then they get a relief, and that is antacids quality. And we have painkillers, okay, something like paracetamol, okay, something like paracetamol. We have painkillers at home. So these are the medicines. These are the medicines. So after medicines, okay, we speak about antiseptics. Antiseptics are not medicines, keep in the mind. Antacids and painkillers are medicines, okay, that normally can be seen in houses. Antiseptics are not medicines. Antiseptics are materials that you can apply on living tissues. Say you have a wound in the hand or in the leg. If you want to clean that one, to put medicine, what you can apply on that wound is called antiseptic. Okay, you have to choose the correct antiseptic and use on your skin. Okay, in that also, in the correct dosage should be there. Correct dosage mean, now normally if you take Panadol generally when you get a headache, okay, if you take 2 Panadols, say you are taking 2 Panadols, it is okay. It will relieve you from the headache and not harmful to your body. Instead of 2 Panadols, you want a quick relief. Say you are taking 25 Panadols. There it is called overdose. Overdose can kill a person. Sometimes can kill a person. Medicines or anything that you apply on the body should be taken in the correct amounts, correct dosage, not should be greater than what is recommended. That is applied for antiseptics also. Okay. Next it is disinfectants. Who are disinfectants? Disinfectants are the chemicals that you can apply on non-living areas. If you want to clean a floor, if you want to clean a wall, if you want to clean the flush area of the washing room, okay, toilets, bathrooms, you have to use disinfectants. Disinfectants are powerful microorganism killing chemicals. Disinfectants are very powerful microorganism killing chemicals. They are very powerful than antiseptics. Antiseptics also can destroy the microorganisms. Disinfectants also can destroy the microorganisms. The only thing it is, disinfectants, okay? If you consider disinfectants are harmful to our body. If we apply on our body, due to that disinfectant, some problems can occur. Okay, due to that disinfectant, certain problems can occur. Right. So if you take disinfect, so I told you what is antiseptics, what is disinfectants. Now let's come to this table. In this table, you are given something called medicines, correct? What are the medicines mentioned here are, once you look at it, magnesium carbonate given, aluminium hydroxide gel given, aqueous magnesium hydroxide given. In brackets, it is called milk of magnesia. All these ones are antacid materials that are given for gastritis. Okay. So, but at the same time, in the syllabus, they are telling about the painkillers also. Okay. Painkillers, paracetamol. Okay. It's not only relieving pain, it will also decrease the body temperature. That is why paracetamol is given for fever. Okay. Right. Next, it is disinfectants. I told you disinfectants are not safe to use on the human body, but you can clean non-living areas or using disinfectants. Example, phenol, chlorine, alcohol, according to syllabus. Okay. Similarly, antiseptics, what you can apply on the wounds, iodine, surgical spirit, boric acid, boric powder. You can buy in the pharmacy white color powder called boric powder. Okay. So these are the disinfectants. These are the idea coming under medicines, antiseptics, and disinfectants. Okay. Point it is, nowadays, one important point to you here. Disinfectants are often and excessively used in the toilet. Toilet means into the flush, people are adding these disinfectants. Finally, that disinfectant will reach the toilet pit. In the toilet pit, feces get gathered now. When disinfectants are added, the microorganisms in that toilet pit are getting killed. Ultimately, the feces are not undergoing decomposition. Because feces are not undergoing decomposition, toilet pits are quickly getting filled. Nowadays, it is very common, we can see in the urban areas, toilet pits are quickly getting filled. Okay, so many institutions are functioning. So once to clean one toilet pit, they are charging 10,000, 15,000 rupees to collect and go those materials. Okay. In the past, nowadays also we can see that one among the Hindus. Okay, Margosa means Kohamba. Okay, Vepal, Kohamba. Okay, turmeric liquid, Kasturi Manjal. Okay, turmeric liquid, salt water. These ones were used as disinfectants. Among the Hindus, still this culture is there. They will take salt water and mix it with turmeric powder liquid and take some margosa leaf, dip it and sprinkle it all over the last, in the floors. That we can notice nowadays also. It's a custom of them, but actually they are cleansing the environment to form the microorganism in a natural method. Okay. Thereafter, cosmetics. In the case of cosmetics, cosmetics are used for several purposes, for cleaning purpose, to make a person beauty, okay, to improve the health and to look pleasant, or to make people pleasant. Okay, if there's a nice perfume on the body, the people who are sitting near to you will be feeling pleasant. Those ideas. Okay, some natural cosmetics are there, like sandalwood, turmeric, and certain type of clays are there. But nowadays, who is using sandalwood? Who is using turmeric? Who is using clay? Mean very, 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 very rare. As I told you, In Tamil communities, you can see that one. But in other communities, it is very, very, very rare. We use all the artificial ones, perfumes, bleaching creams, talc, hair colorants, hair bleaching items, deodorants, lipsticks. All these ones are used by the people, okay? Depending on their life pattern, whether they are using daily or once in a month, or that depends on them. When you take perfumes and deodorants mean odor removal, odor removing one. Some people will have a bad smell in the body due to their sweat, and to remove that sweat smell, they apply a perfume-like material that is called deodorant. This is when other people now sit next to you. Okay, the person who is sitting next to you, so even for you, some people, the perfume will create a headache, some vomitish feeling, breathing difficulty. Okay, that will be happen. Now sometimes when some people apply attar and stay next to you, you will feel to run from them. Okay, that much attar smell you can't tolerate. This is applicable not only for attar, other perfumes also. Some perfumes are pleasant, some perfumes are not. What shall we do? Right. Similarly, lipsticks. Lipsticks are really applied to keep the lips, okay, away from dryness. But too much of lipstick usage also creating dryness and cracks on the lips. Another thing is carbon containing creams. Okay, certain creams are there, carbon will be a part of it, black color creams will be there. Okay, when they come in contact, they will be causing skin cancer. Okay, the carbon containing creams are not good to liver, brain, kidney like organs. The kidney failure can occur, liver damage can occur due to the use of these carbon containing creams. Next it is hair dyes. Okay, hair dyes mainly most people use to hide their grayness in the hairs. Okay, they want to look younger. What shall we do? Some people do the other way. They will be getting a good, nice black hair, but they will bleach it, they will remove it, and now apply hair dyes on it. Nice now, right? So in this case, hair dyes and these bleachers, what kind of problems they can create? Itching in the scalp. Okay, skin will be becoming rashy, highly itchy. Okay, itching means they can't tolerate. They will be taking both fingers and put inside the head. Then okay, scratch. So it will be wounded sometimes. Certain dyed places will be swelling. Cancer can occur. There are people who died of hair dyes. This kind, several problems are there. Okay, inshallah, in the next video, I will complete the next page portions. You children, without worries, complete these portions. Okay, inshallah, I will meet you in a new video again. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.